Hi everyone, welcome to How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Mycelium Wallet. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to get started with Mycelium Wallet but you don't know how it works, then in this video we're going to show you how. The first thing to do is to install Mycelium application on your Android or your iOS device. Simply make sure that you open up your App Store or your Play Store, and soon after you open it up, in the search bar, search for Mycelium. Once you find the Mycelium Bitcoin Wallet application displayed on your screen, tap on the download button to download and install the application. The application has now been installed. Tap on Open to launch the app open. From the main interface of Mycelium, select New Wallet in order to create a new wallet. In order to restore an existing wallet, tap on Restore from Backup and follow the on-screen prompts. Soon after you tap on New Wallet, on the next page, it'll tell you to make a backup of the wallet recovery phrases. On the next page, you'll be able to see 12 words recovery phrases that might help you keep your wallet secure. Tap on Backup now in order to back up your phrases right away. Tap on Start on the next page, but make sure no one is watching on your screen right now since your backup phrases is supposed to be kept a secret. Tap on the Start button and you'll be able to see your backup phrases one by one displayed on the screen. Simply write down your backup phrases in a piece of a paper and tap on the next word to reveal your next word. Similarly, reveal all of the 12 words and write them down in a piece of a paper and make sure to write them in the correct order. Once you're finished writing down all of the phrases, enter all the words separated by a space on this page. Make sure to type them in the correct order. Once you type it in, tap Next. Once your backup is completed, tap on the Finish button. You can use this backup phrases in order to restore your wallet whenever you install Mycelium Wallet on another device, or if you need to reinstall it on this particular one. Tap on Finish and you'll be able to see your wallet created and displayed on the screen. Your Mycelium Wallet is now ready to use. You can easily receive, send your cryptocurrencies whenever you want. If you want to receive a crypto, tap on the Receive button from the main interface. Request the amount of your choice by typing it in the top of the screen. Now, you'll need to send your wallet address to the sender. For this, you can either let the sender scan your QR code displayed on the screen or tap on the Share button at the top right and send your address as a message to the sender and wait for the fund to be sent to you. If you want to send some crypto, make sure you're inside the Balance tab at the bottom left and tap on Send. In order to send a cryptocurrency, you must have funded some crypto on your wallet. Once you have enough crypto you can send, go ahead and type in the recipient's address in the text box. You can also choose Scan Address and allow access to your phone's camera by tapping OK and scan the QR code with the help of the scanner in order to find the recipient's address. Once you type in the address or scan the address, type in the amount you'd like to send, but make sure you have sufficient fund on your wallet. After you type in the fund, you can tap the Send button at the top right in order to send funds to a recipient from Mycelium Wallet. That is how you can easily use Mycelium Wallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.